In this video, I'll explain how you can use a brush pen in order to create calligraphy. Now, first of all, when you write with a brush pen, you'll want to hold your pen out to the side a bit. You don't want the pen to be straight up and down because that puts a lot of strain on the tip of the brush pen and it's just not going to last you as long. If you're a lefty, that grip is going to look more like this. Now, when you write, you're going to make a series of different strokes. For a thick downstroke, apply pressure to the pen and pull down. For a thin upstroke, let up on pressure and push up. Horizontal strokes require that same delicate pressure that upstrokes do. So let's try writing out a word, like the word create. We're going to start with a delicate upstroke that transitions into a thick downstroke, and then pick up your pen at the bottom. That's the secret, really, I think, to brush pen calligraphy, to those smooth, nice transitions. Another upstroke, nice and thin, into a thick downstroke. Notice I picked up my pen there and I picked it up again. And then a nice thin upstroke, thin, downstroke. The moral of this section here is that you should pick up your pen whenever you need to in order to preserve that nice stroke contrast. This does not have to be a super fluid thing, and you're going to get the best downstrokes and the nicest upstrokes if you're not fretting about maintaining that nib to paper contact. Okay, just finishing up here with this upstroke. And then you're going to cross the T here, and that is what it looks like to write with brush pen calligraphy. Now, I especially love brush pen calligraphy for lefties because you can't really smudge brush pen ink. See, so as you're writing with a brush pen, even if your hand, right or left, is trailing over what you're writing, it's just not going to smudge. So again, whether you're right or left-handed, give brush pen calligraphy a try. It has just a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, you are going to love it.